I don't care what you call it. If it slaps, I'm all in. Let the bass talk, baby. I'm not into rap unless it's got swing. Country don't move me unless it can sing. Rock's alright, but it better have bounce. I need that groove I can feel in the ground. I don't judge by the label, I just dance when it's able. Let it pop, let it strut, turn it up, shake the dust. I'm not into rap, not in the twang, not in the screaming, unless the bass bangs. Good is just good, that's what it's about. So if it grooves, then play it loud. Oh yeah, play it loud now. Play it loud now. Got no time for your genre walls. If it thumps, I'm on that call. Ain't picky, just funky. Give me that sweet, sticky bassline junkie. Drop the beat, let it roll. Let that snare take control. If it hits in the soul, then baby, that's no. Into rap, not into country, no, not in no rock. It's got a beat that bumps me. Good is just good, say it now. Toast, turn it up, turn it up. So play it loud, louder now. So let it funk it out. Give me horns, give me claps, give me what on that guitar strap. Don't care what they call the track. If it slaps, I'm running it back. Not into rap unless it grooves. Not into country unless it moves. Good is just good. What we talking about? Play it loud. Just play it loud. I say, good is good, yeah. Yeah, play it loud. John, nah. Feel it in your hips. That's the only rule. Play it loud, baby. Now that's the truth.